I'm going to show you how to make a foolproof cookie dough that you can keep in your freezer to bake cookies whenever you want. Be sure to watch till the end to see how you can also turn this cookie dough into a crazy yummy crowd-pleasing dessert. Put your butter, brown sugar, 1 egg, a pinch of salt and vanilla into a bowl and mix it until it starts to get creamy. Once the batter is pale and fluffy, you can add the baking powder and your second egg. Make sure your butter and eggs are at room temperature. This helps your batter to mix smoothly and have an even texture. Add your flour and give it a quick mix until it's just barely incorporated. Make sure not to overmix it. Add a combination of milk and dark chocolate chips so that you get a nice balance when biting into your cookie. You can even add some roughly chopped chocolates to get those pockets of chocolate in your cookie. Scoop the cookie dough onto a lined dish and chill overnight. Chilling the dough helps it rest, and this helps you get a much better cookie. At this point, you can pack away the chilled dough balls in an airtight container and freeze for even up to 3 months. To bake, lay out the cookie dough with a good gap in between them. Let it thaw out for a few minutes and top with some extra chocolate chips and a sprinkling of salt, and bake for about 20 minutes at 180 Celsius. This will give you a soft, chewy chocolate chip cookie. Now, let's take this one step further and turn this cookie dough into a delicious Nutella cookie dough dessert. Leave your cookie dough balls out for about half an hour to defrost completely, and into an oven-proof dish, layer on some of that softened cookie dough to cover the entire bottom. Into the middle, pop a generous spoonful of Nutella and spread it around, but not all the way to the edges. Make sure to leave a little bit of a gap on the sides. This is where you can get creative. Instead of Nutella, you can opt for some Biscoff, peanut butter, or even marshmallows. Top this with a little bit more cookie dough to cover the top and gently spread it out evenly. Sprinkle some chocolate chips and bake at 180 for about 20 to 25 minutes. You want the center to be gooey and even slightly underbaked, so don't leave it in the oven for longer. Top with a scoop of ice cream and a little more Nutella and enjoy it immediately. And there you have it. That's how you turn your chocolate chip cookie dough into a crowd-pleasing dessert. I don't know anyone who doesn't like a warm, freshly baked chocolate chip cookie, so give this one a go at home and you will never have to go without when you're craving something sweet. See you in the next video. Bye!